Welcome to this short film which will explain how to navigate around the Sussex Uncovered data tool and get the best from it. This data tool accompanies the Sussex Uncovered report itself, published by Sussex Community Foundation in late 2019. It's a community mapping and reporting tool which helps us to inform our grant making and philanthropy with good data. The data tool allows you to search for local data across themes such as health and well-being, the arts, education and work, community cohesion, disadvantage in the environment, and also to run reports on particular geographical areas and issues. All the data is open source, free to use and regularly updated. To start, click on Maps on the blue strip along the top of the home page. The Maps page uses Google Maps and the navigation works in the same way. You can navigate around the map by dragging the map page with your mouse or swipe across the map if you're using a touchscreen device. Zoom in and out of the map by scrolling with the scroll pad on your mouse. Click on the Navigate button at the top of the list of icons on the left and either click Sussex or enter a postcode to zoom to that area. Next, click on the Data button and you'll see a drop-down with 5 themes. Click any of those and you'll see the titles of all the data available about that theme. In this film, we sometimes refer to them as indicators. Click on the one you want to know more about, for example, homeless in priority need per 1,000 households. Then click on the Info button on the top right to see the colour key, which tells you what values the different colours on the map represent. Notice that when you hover over a smaller shaded area of the map, the data for that area is displayed top right. You can also use the Control button on your keyboard and the Scroll button on your mouse to zoom in on these areas. Clicking the About the Indicator button will give you more information, such as the source of the data, the date it was published, and a bit more about what it tells you. Clicking the Data for Your Area button will open up a detailed breakdown of the data related to key local areas. They are preloaded at county, local authority and built-up areas, with England and South East areas for comparison. In addition, you can download the data as a CSV file. You can select and zoom in on specific areas by clicking on the Areas button on the list of icons on the left. The Reports section allows you to download reports on particular areas across a range of demographics. They're delivered in Word so that you can easily reuse the most relevant parts in your presentations, reports and funding bids, for example. When reusing any data, please credit the data source. This will help to ensure that people trust the veracity of the information you're giving them. Data on the site is also presented via the dashboard. Click on the word Dashboard in the blue strip at the top of the home page. There are a number of preloaded datasets across the top, with areas down the left-hand side. Hover over the indicator to find the Info icon for more information about that indicator. The colour key shows how areas compare to one another. You can customise the areas you want to see data for by clicking on the Areas button, top left. Untick the Select All button and then choose the areas you want to see and then click Done. The resulting page will show you data for the areas you've chosen compared to each other. Where there are gaps in the data, as there are here, this may be because the data is not available at the geographical level you're asking for. We hope you find this data tool easy to use. If you have any questions, please do contact us via the details here. Also, we'd be delighted for feedback, good and not so good, so we can amend the data tool and make it even better over time. Thank you.